Till now, till the previous videos, I have discussed about the data sheet and the data sheet preparation for in order to start the analysis of the Power BI project. In this current video, I am going to discuss about about how the data sheet can be uploaded, the data workbook is uploaded, and how different sheets can be viewed in the Power BI file, and how the transformation part in Power Query has to be done whenever we upload any data sheet, and remaining other things and the dashboarding things will be discussed in the successful videos. The current video is the introductory part of uploading of data to the Power BI file. So for this, we have to start with a new Power BI file. So let's take Power BI desktop. So it will take some time to start up. Now, after doing this, we are going for a blank report. So after going for a blank report, now we can see we need to extract data. So import data from Excel. Our current file is Excel. So we import data from Excel. So what I am doing, I am taking this Apsrtc. These are source file. So these are I am importing data. I have started imported data. So so these are number of sheets available in the Power BI file. So here we can see the number of uploading sheets. So they are also suggested tables. So ignore all this. We need to only concentrate on the sheet we have made changes in it. So what are the sheets we have done? Root master sheet. Here you can see the preview, the yearly trend RTI sheet, and KPI dashboard, also report summary, and daily ops log sheet, comparison sheet. Also, we can hide the sheets once we have selected. The sheets which are useful to us will be loaded, and sheets which are not useful will can be hidden off. Also, we can discard it. So, before loading it, we can see that some parameters here. They see column number 2. So, this should be loaded into the header state. So, we can transform this data. So, what I do is I'll transform it. Also, this sheet is already a clear sheet, but in general, the sheet is not clear. Most of the times, data clearing has to be done. So here you can see this the serial number, the KPI parameter. This has to be come into order. For this, I need to set. This is a Power Query sheet. So this is a Power Query editor. If you want to transform anything in Power BI, we cannot directly transform. We cannot directly change the values. In order to do something, we should do a Power Query. Even in Power Query, if we are unable to do so, we should go back to the source and change the things and again refresh the data. So here you can see refresh preview. Now these parameters should be get into header. So I use this link called use first row as headers. So here we get the first row as headers. This sheet is clean, and also there are many number of null values. And sometimes we have to ignore these null values because we are not going to do any analysis with this sheet. So again, the city bus. Here also we keep the first row as headers. And again, we are not using this. And the purpose of keeping the sheet is like if for cross check or reference any point of time during our analysis part. But in real, we are going to hide the sheet because these will not play any role. These used as a standard in order to check whether our values are getting correct or not. The bus master sheet, we should have a clear understanding of this. So whatever the sheet which is present in the bus master, the same sheet has been uploaded here, and you can see this is the data type. Here ABC is the data type. ABC data type. So whenever there is a text form, there is a text kind of thing, this is a data type. And here you can see there is a column profile. We call it a column profile, which means that 635 distinct or 635 unique. We should understand one clear thing: distinct and unique. Unique value is something like which is not repetitive. So here you see the three distinct. So which means that the three city ordinary, metro express, and metro luxury. These so here is city order matrix. These three are distinct values but not unique. Unique value is something like which is there in this column only once in this column. So there is no unique value in the whole column. Here also, but here you can see that the value is unique because every bus have a unique registration number. So this is the difference between unique and this is used in order to understand the column, the quality of the column, the data quality of data, whether the data is complete, whether there is any null value. If there is any null value, it will be indicated as C. Here you can see the green bar. Also 0% of error, 0% empty. So because all these things, the data cleaning has already been done, and in this video, I'm not going to discuss about the data cleaning part. In the upcoming projects, I'm going to discuss even the data cleaning part too, because preparation of this data set took a lot of amount. So I'm going to discuss about data visualization and DAX part only. So the post, the routes assigned, and so again the bus stop coordinates. Here also everything is aligned, very good aligned, very much well aligned. Comparison part we are not going to use it, and daily ops log we have to use it. See here the date, here the trip is in text format, so we get ABC. Here we got date format as well. So if we click here with the left hand click, we can see the kind of data present in this column. If we want to change the data, we could change it by clicking on. Suppose take it to decimal number, so it will ask the current. No, I'm not going to do so. And again the bus registration number, route number we have text as well as alphanumeric. So this is called alphanumeric, alphabetical as well as numerical. And again text format, and also the text format, the time format. Here we can see the time format, the data type. The data type should also be correct, because sometimes the data type, although the value in the column is numerical, it will be assigned as text in order to have a reference point of view. So these are the sheet, and the report summary sheet, and KPI dashboard. We are not going to use this KPI dashboard. Yearly trend RTI, we are going to use it, the metric part and this part, and route master. So these are all the things, and this is how the parameters has been developed and how the data is get done. Once we have done everything, we apply, close and apply. So close and apply changes. Here you can see whenever we started using it, all the sheets are getting uploaded into the sheet, and also the report summary page, the KPI dashboard page, route master page, and all the sheets are getting uploaded. So uh, so these are all the tables which has been uploaded. So this is the data bar, and this bar is called the canvas bar, and this is the report view, this is the table view, and the model view, and also the DAX query view. We are not going to discuss in this. And these are all the tables. So these are report view. These are all the tables which are uploaded in it, and around 5 to 6 tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tables. But we are going to use only 5 numbers, so we are going to hide the remaining tables. So we are going to select it, right click. Again, we are going to select this sheet, hide. Again, we are going to comparison sheet. We are going to select it and hide. So the most important sheet, KPI dashboard, we are going to select it and hide it. The most important the tables which are necessary for our analysis, they will be kept in it, and the remaining sheets, we are going to hide those sheets. So this is the canvas part. These are the visualizations part. If we want to measure anything, we want to do any visualization, we are supposed to do in this. This is the table view, and this is the relations between. As I said, there should be a relation between table. This is one-on-one relation between these two, many to one relation. So if when you click it, we are going to understand the relation between two tables, and how these two tables, as I mentioned in previous video, how the tables will be connected. So these both these are connected using root number. There will be a root and there will be a root in both. So here you can see these both are connected using root number. Similarly, all the tables automatically they are interconnected with relations. So all the 10 tables are interconnected. This is the fact table and dimension table. We are going to discuss in deep about this in the coming. This present video is uploading the data into the sheet, and explanation of different visual. There is a bar chart, and there is like column chart, the stacked column chart, and how these sheets and how this visualization is helpful in decision can will be discussed. Also, if you want to save it as sample. Save this file with some name. How it is going to save it. So that's how this is done. I'm going to explain in detail in the next video. Thank you.